Nintendo has released a newer version of their Switch gaming console with an OLED screen. The screen has been bumped up from 6.2 inch to a 7-inch 720p OLED display. The rumor suggested that the new Switch would be able to do 4K video output thanks to Nvidia's DLSS upscaling, but looks like it's locked down only to 1080p. But the new docking station that comes with the OLED model has an Ethernet port for better network performance, so that's pretty cool. Despite having a larger display, the newer model will have the same around 9 hours of expected battery life, and it gains around 0.7 pounds from the 0.63 pounds of the original model. The device is expected to ship from the 8th of October to a price of $350. That's $50 more than the older version, but it also has twice the storage at 64 gigabytes. Well, what do you think? Are you into gaming consoles or are you a PC gamer all the way? If you ask me, I look at the Switch as a gaming tablet than a console itself. I mean, sure, it comes with a dock and everything, but it's kind of a portable version of a console. I would never buy something like a PS5 or an Xbox, but this is something that I would see if I'm looking into a gaming console itself. Subscribe for more short, informative videos like this, and I'll see you with the next one. Cheers.